Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to download and install apps from Google in iPhone. For example, if you want to download and install uh, App Store apps from Google without using App Store, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So the first method is as that what you have to do, you have to simply open the Safari here, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply click on Google, and here what you have to do, you have to simply search for that app you want to download. And after that what you have to do, you have to simply type in the Google uh, page here, and after that you have to simply search for that app. And after that you will find many application here. So here you can simply find the website where you can simply download and install the that app. But if you do not find anything, so here you can simply find the option for Google Play Store, because this doesn't work for iPhone. So here you can simply go for online games. So there will be a file, apk file, which is only applicable for Android, but if you want to use it in iPhone, there is no methods available. So if you want to download apps, then you have to simply click on here, the app which is as shown in App Store. So if you click on that, then you will be directly open the App Store, and you will simply download the app from the App Store. But if you want to download from the app from the outside of the App Store, then there is also another method, which is that you have simply open the Google Chrome here, and you have to simply do the same which I have already done. You have to simply search for Subway Surfer, and here what you have to do, you can simply add for iPhone. So here you can simply click on that, and after that you have to scroll it down, that you will find any kind of application. So here you can simply click on Subway Surfers for iPhone download, and after that you can simply download that file, and you can simply install that file and use your apps without App Store. But I will recommend you to do not use this kind of website, because this kind of website provides illegal software copies that will be harmful to your iPhone. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.